Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do SEO on Squarespace. First, let's talk about keyword research, which is the foundation of any successful SEO strategy. You'll want to identify the exact words and phrases your potential customers are typing into search engines. Aim for a mix of broad and specific terms, often called long-tail keywords, which typically have less competition. This initial step is crucial for guiding all your subsequent optimization efforts, ensuring you attract the right visitors to your site. Next, we move to on-page optimization, directly impacting how search engines understand your content. Start by crafting compelling page titles and meta descriptions, including your primary keywords. These are the first things people see in search results, so make them count. Within your page, use keywords naturally in headings, body text, and image alt attributes. Remember, the goal is to create valuable, user-friendly content that also signals relevance to search engine algorithms. Now, let's delve into technical SEO and site structure, which are vital for search engine crawlability. A well-organized site with clear navigation helps both users and search engine bots find your content easily. Squarespace handles many technical aspects automatically, like generating a sitemap and providing clean URLs. However, you should still optimize image file sizes, ideally keeping them under 500 kilobytes, to ensure fast page loading speeds, a key ranking factor. Finally, we cover off-page SEO and ongoing performance monitoring. Off-page SEO primarily involves building high-quality backlinks from other authoritative websites, signaling to search engines that your content is trustworthy. Also, actively promote your content on social media to expand its reach and drive traffic. Remember to regularly check your Squarespace analytics and Google Search Console data. This allows you to track your progress and make informed adjustments to your SEO strategy over time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.